here is how to get from Ironforge to Darnassus in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. So for this we have to take like a tram and 2 different boats, in total 3 methods of transportation, and I will estimate you will arrive in Darnassus from Ironforge in like 10 or 15 minutes, depending now if you are lucky for the boats to get in time. So to get to Darnassus from Ironforge you will have to head right here in Ironforge in the east side, because here you can find the deep run tram, and this tram is crucial because this tram will take you from Ironforge to Stormwind, and from Stormwind we'll have to take another boat, and this is basically the fastest way to get to Stormwind without a mage portal. If you can find a mage in Ironforge to spell you a portal for Darnassus, don't even bother to continue the tutorial, alright? The mage portal is the fastest. However, if you still want to get to Darnassus from Ironforge by foot, now the tram will get us in Stormwind, and in Stormwind we'll have to get to the docks. You can find the docks in the west side of Stormwind. I was extremely lucky for the boat to be here exactly when I arrived. You must take this yellowish color boat, which will arrive at the first dock, because this boat will take you from Stormwind to Darkshore, and from Darkshore we'll have to switch boats and take the last one. So that being said, with some fast forwarding here, I arrive in Darkshore. Now, as you'll arrive in Darkshore with the boat from Stormwind, you have to get straight forward. Don't go to the left, because that boat will take you to Azermast Islands where drains are spawning. We are not interested in that boat. Instead, we'll have to take this boat, which will be parallel with the boat with which we just come. Alright, now with some fast forwarding, this boat from Darkshore will take you to the shore of Teldrassil, and I would say we are 99% done with this tutorial, because once you'll arrive to the shore of Teldrassil, all what's left to do, get under the roots of this tree, and now this tree will teleport you straight to Darnassus, the capital of Night Elves. So that's how to get to Darnassus from Ironforge in WoW WOTLK, in WOTLK Classic. I hope this tutorial helped you out, a comment would be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.